Hello everyone. Today I have a new game for you, Chaar Maghz Baazi. Let's find out what is it. Chaar Maghz Baazi is a Farsi-Dari word which means playing with walnuts, in which Chaar Maghz means walnuts and Baazi means playing. Chaar Maghz Baazi is a traditional form of marbles game which is famous between kids in Afghanistan. As the country is rich with natural resources, it was easier for kids to own walnuts rather than marbles. So they started playing with walnuts instead of marbles. Although the rules are a bit different in Chaar Maghz Baazi, which makes it easier to play and more fun. What do you need for Chaar Maghz Baazi? First, walnuts, a smooth surface, a circle, and more than one player. So, how to play? Let's find out. Draw a circle on a smooth surface and decide how many players should play. Everyone brings their walnuts and decide for a specific amount of walnuts to be used in one match. Draw a line about 2 to 3 meters away from the circle, from where you will throw your walnuts in the circle. Everyone takes a walnut and threw it towards the circle. The player who throws his walnut at closest point to the center of the circle will take the first turn to play. And the player who throws his walnut at the farthest point, either inside or outside the circle, will take the last turn to play. Now, the player who is playing first collects all the walnuts from everyone and throws them all together, aiming the center of the circle. Then the second player chooses a walnut on the ground and asks the first player to hit it with another walnut. If the first player hits the selected walnut, then he wins all the walnuts inside the circle and collects them. If he hits another walnut on the ground, he loses all his walnuts. If he could not hit any walnuts on the ground, he neither loses nor wins. The game continues. Everyone plays turn by turn until one of the players wins all the walnuts. There are few other rules, like you cannot bend yourself over the line when you're throwing your walnuts in this circle, or you cannot escape your turn or give it to another player. Sounds like an exciting game, right? Always try to find out about new games and activities from different countries, learn it and play it. Record a video when you're playing Chaar Maghz Baazi with your friends. Send it to us. We'll share it on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss our next video.